Hello. So I am right now in Minecraft 1.17.1, as you can see it at the bottom. I also have fabric mods because I want to transfer to fabric mods because they are more lightweight and they are easier to update, so they will be updated faster than Forge mods. And yeah, there are some fabric mods that I can't find on Forge because the developer on the Forge mods doesn't update the mods anymore. And there's no other one that kind of continue that mod, so that's why I kind of moved to fabric. And yeah, there are a bunch of fabric mods that I use. Well, not a bunch, but I put a link to the mods that I use in the video description. It's a Google Docs document. And of course you can use the CurseForge app to download, because some mods need some other mods, and it's easier to use CurseForge because it will automatically download a lot of those mods, extra mods. But anyway, yeah, they are. Optifine is still in preview mode for 1.17.1. Pre-31 is pretty new. So I got a single world here. This will work. Okay, OBS is loading because the world is loading. It's taking like 100% of the CPU right now. And here we go. That thing's low a little bit. And yeah, the CPU is like 100% right now. Oh my god. Okay, it started to settle down a little bit, but let's see if I can check. Yeah, it's on NVIDIA encoder. Yeah, it's kind of settled down a little bit. But yeah, this high CPU usage anyway. Yeah, and I am recording it. You see I'm using shaders. Usually I get about 70 while I'm not recording. But yeah, you can see it's different mods. I have the minimap and stuff. Also this mod diamond chest. I also got vein mining. So the basically an enchant when you kind of mine stuff. And also the elevator mod. So kind of nice. So yeah, there's a bunch of different mods that I have. Another mod that I have is called Reach Out. For example, or you can actually see here to the right, I also have, it's not JEI, just enough items. I got roughly enough items, because just enough items is a little bit buggy on Forge at least. I can't do any settings on it because I need like the FTP library mod or whatever to be able to do settings in game. I mean, just enough items need like 3 other mods to be able to work. And even though I downloaded that specific FTP mod, it still doesn't work. So I decided to go with the fabric and roughly enough items. There are some settings here that I can't really do. Let's see. You could have like some options up here to the left. that I can't find in 1.17.1, like changing the weather and stuff like that, and game mode. So you can have buttons for changing game modes and stuff. But yeah, it seems to be working pretty well. So it's a mini map. Basically, it's not journey map. It's called something else, some with an X. It seems to be working. It's a lot faster as well when loading the map and stuff. And you have waypoints. And yeah. Another mod that I have is called Reach Out. In Minecraft 1.12.2 I had a mod called Extended Reach, but that developer won't update that mod anymore, so and I can't find a different mod for Forge, but I found one on Fabric called Reach Out, and you can set it so you can see the box that I can place blocks far away. Really far away. So right now it's a configuration file for it, and I set it to 25 blocks right now, because in creative mode you can reach 5 blocks by default, and I thought 5 times 5 is 25. So, and you can set it up to like 1024 blocks if you want to. But yeah, it's a little bit further away, so far away. So 25 blocks is more than enough. So I can be up here, just also I can destroy blocks far away. It's kind of a nice mod. So yeah, kind of fun. And yeah, you can also create servers of this. So this is just single player. If I go into multiplayer, I created a server of this. I call it the Brwood. There's a game called Brightwood, but I thought, well, let's call it Brwood. Bro. So yeah, server. I have the same world here, so the mods work here as well. So for example, yeah, you can set it the reach mod, so you can place them pretty far away. Same thing with roughly enough items. So yeah, kind of fun. And seems to be kind of lightweight. I also have a couple of data packs. Let's see if that actually works on the server. Trigger, yeah, there it is, magnet. So what will happen is that I set it to, let's disable it first. Oops. So for example, if I drop items, let's take a stack of these. And just drop them on the floor. You see, if I can't pick them up when I'm on this distance, but if I trigger the magnet, it will pick up blocks from 8 blocks away. So if the items are like within 8 blocks from you, it will be automatically picked up. But if you are like further away, if I drop them from here, yeah, okay. Yeah, you get the point. So if I just disable that, it will just lie on the ground. And you see I'm more than 8 blocks away, but if I go close like this, whoop, it will be picked up. I got a couple of other data packs as well. They are mostly recipes. For example, let's see if I can find the crafting stuff. Yeah, crafting table. I think it had to do with rotten flesh. So you can turn them into like emeralds. And I don't know if it was like this. Yeah, like that. So you get diamonds. And there's a saddle recipe as well, so you can get saddles and stuff. So yeah, there's a usage of this stuff. But yeah, it's kind of fun to have fabric mods, and I'm actually running the server on the laptop. And right now I'm just one person here, but it doesn't seem to spin up the fan too much. It's just when I kind of enter the world, it will kind of spin up a little bit. But yeah, there's a bunch of different settings. For example, the minimap as well. You can minimap settings, the size of it all. I think that's default. Yeah, kind of fun to play around with. So yeah, I think I will actually try out fabric mods. And another mod that I have, you can see here up in the right corner, I actually moved it. It was actually on the left side and it was really small text. It shows you your position, also in what direction you are facing. And the Y level actually shows you the 64 here. It shows you where your feet are. It's not showing this block, for example. It's showing where your feet are. So if you want to know the position of that block, you have to press F3. And here you can see it says 63. So target this block. So if you want to know, if you just want to look at this number and want to know the level of that block that I'm looking at, you have to take 64 minus 1. So it's 63. So yeah. Modded 1.17.1. Kind of fun to play around with. So yeah. Catch you later.